Every morning before I leave for work, I open LinkedIn. I refresh my email. Nothing. I refresh again. Still nothing. Then I open Naukri.com, Indeed, job sites, job websites, company websites. I apply again and again and again. American Express, Deloitte, EXL, Concentrix, Certify, Fairportal, TBO, MXGBT, many more, you name it. I honestly stopped counting. Some company reject me, some never even reply. The silence hurts more than rejections. I'm not applying because I am running after or chasing a bigger title here. I'm applying because I want my daughters to have a better future.